Hi Mum, what's for lunch?
I am making spaghetti. Would you like to help?
Yippee, I would love to help you. Tell me, how can I help you, Mum?
I am going to answer that.
Okay. Can I add spaghetti now?
When the water starts boiling, I will help you put spaghetti in the boiling water.
Mum, what are you making now?
I am making pudding for you. First, I am going to boil milk for the pudding.
Yay, I want to help.
Okay, so, now we have to keep an eye on the milk so that it won't spill after boiling. So, we will turn the stove off once the milk comes to a boil.
But, why will the milk spill? You didn't say that when we were boiling the water for spaghetti.
Okay, let me explain you in detail. Let's think about what water and milk are made of. Water is mostly just molecules of water or H2O clumped together to form a liquid. There are some minerals too. Milk, on the other hand, is a complicated mix of chemicals, the main ones being proteins, fats, and water. On heating milk, the fat layer separates as cream on the top. The cream being lighter than the other constituents and occupies the top layer. The protein in the milk denatures in the heat and form a stable film on the surface. This film is due to the coagulation of a casein, the protein content of the milk. The rising water vapors get trapped below this film. On further heating of milk, the water vapor expands and creates enough pressure and pushes the thick creamy layer up, causing milk to rise and escaping out. On the other hand, water doesn't contain any active components that will make it form a stable film on the surface. Water vapor escape without any resistance. It does not overflow on heating. I hope you get it now.
Wow, Mum, that is so informative. Thank you for sharing this information with me.
Want to get more explanation like this? Enroll now at www.champslearning.co.uk. Champs Learning is a very structured tuition for English, maths and science, mainly aimed at primary and secondary school students. It provides tuition to Key Stage 1, 2, 3, GCSE and 11+ exam students.